Well, just as we were getting ready to leave camp, I noticed that the mirror attachment was hanging off. This little gap is not supposed to be there. And when I touched the mirror, it wiggled. And I'm like, Dave, we may have a problem. We just spent the past hour trying to get this thing off. So we're gonna be a little late checking out today. Oh, we're on our way to Arnold Air Force Base, leaving Mammoth Cave without a side mirror. We're gonna find a Home Depot along the way, buy the new bolts we need to fix that mirror. I'm just so grateful we noticed it was loose and didn't lose it driving down the road. That would have really sucked. All right, so we're in the Home Depot parking lot and I got this all cleaned up. David's inside. I've removed the insulation from inside the lag bolts. We're gonna put new bolts in. Thank God for Home Depot. And Daisy says, thank God I don't have to be in that RV right now. I got her set up outside. We're in Bowling Green. There's Corvette manufacturer here and a Corvette museum. We didn't go to that, but anyway. So while I wait for Dave, I'm gonna clean this disgusting housing with my wire brush. That's a little better. That's good enough. And this goes on top of it, so it'll look all pretty when it's all done. Nothing like spending your Saturday afternoon fixing your house. I'll tell you, whether your house is on wheels or not, there's still lots of fixing to do. So we finally got it reattached. We had to use a couple different types of screws due to the nature of the placement of this thing, but oh, what a relief. Dave went off to Steak and Shake to get us some lunch. Woohoo! This is the best part. Get to use the spray foam. All done. Only took 3 hours. Not bad for a couple of amateurs.